How to apply for Level 2 option on Webull. Launch the app and log in. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Under Shortcuts, tap Settings. Tap Manage Brokerage Account. This is usually near the top of the settings list. Find and tap Options Trading Level. If you're on Level 1, it will show Level 1 here. Tap it to begin the application for Level 2. Answer the following. Your option trading objective. Your investment experience. Your risk tolerance. At the top, select your desired option trading level, choose Level 2. Tap Continue at the bottom and submit your answers. Robinhood will review your application. You'll get a notification once approved. If you need more information, please contact Webull Customer Service. Webull Customer Service will answer all your questions. Thanks for watching.